CP7732. With its all-metal construction, this ultra-compact stubby impact wrench is extremely comfortable to hold, and the balance is great as there is very little overhang. It has 3 easily selectable maximum torque settings, and at only 112mm in length, weighing just 1.3 kilos, it provides the operator with a powerful reverse torque of 610 Newton meters. The CP7732 Ultra Compact Impact Wrench is available in 1/2" and 3/8" drive and are ideal for the commercial vehicle industry.